Hi there, and welcome back to another BobBlast. I'm Bob Burridge, and I'm in my studio here in California. As you can see around me here, we're doing a lot of drawing. This is one of those workshops. It's called Drawing the Undraped Model. We have here 6 students, and they draw all day long for 4 days with a live model. Isn't that great? What an opportunity. I'm drawing, they're drawing, as you can see around me, all the different levels. Everyone is welcome. Everybody draws. Hey, let me show you what we've been doing. So, since this is all about drawing the undraped model, let me show you my materials. The first thing is, what are we going to draw on? Strathmore, the gray paper. I love this gray paper. What I like about the gray paper, look, all I have to do is put my blacks and the whites in. I already have the mid-tone. So let me show you. This is a black pastel. Incredible, just incredibly black. It's beautiful. Look at that, unbelievable. Then of course the drawing, I like to use these willow sticks. These are charcoal sticks. Equally beautifully black, right? I love charcoal because it's so forgiving. Now for highlights, how about some white pastel? They come in different forms, different sizes, different shapes. So look what we have here. We have 3 values. The lightest light, the darkest light, dark, and the mid-tone. And that's what you want in a drawing. And that's all you need to have. So let me do some demos for you. So these are some of the drawings we worked on today. This is just one drawing with charcoal sticks, the willow sticks, right? And these were a composite. You know, if you run out of paper, you're allowed to put on more than one drawing on a piece of paper. And so this is a quick sketch, very, very quick sketch using the willow stick. And I just want to show you a little bit. What I'm going to be doing is emphasizing contrast. See how the model's figure just jumped right off the page at that point. Now this is the willow stick. It's beautiful. It's great for drawing. Right? Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Or I could use these pastels. It's just a wider mark. Equally beautifully black. Now I'm going to put a little bit down in here too. It will push that leg back a little bit so it won't be so bright. See, so I have soft edges and hard edges. The eye will always go to the part that has the hard edge. So I'm going to soften some of this now to give it some highlight. Oh, this part's fun when I take the white pastel. As if there's a spotlight on them or something like that. I'm going to make the back part the highlight. Using your finger to blend it all in. This is that Strathmore paper that I like so much, especially the gray. It has a nice tooth, which means it takes the pastel. Look at that. Oh, it comes alive. Oh. There we go. And I love to draw with a drawing on top of another drawing. Gives me that Rembrandt look. Yeah, sure, Bob. Anyway, the reason he drew so many drawings on a piece of paper, I'll turn it around so you can look, because they didn't have that much paper, so he kept drawing on both sides of the paper. I believe all paper has 2 good front sides. So that's what we did in our drawing class today, all day long workshop with a live model, using just pastels and no liquids. Now tomorrow, we continue the workshop, and that's when we start doing paintings. So we pull it all together with a live model again, and we've been practicing for a couple of days. Now tomorrow, we get to do the paintings. So I'm a little excited, and so here's a little preview of what we're going to be doing tomorrow in color. This little sketch here is those Derwent Inktense blocks. They look like they're pastels, they're not. And so we draw with these blocks and also their pencil version drawing, and then we hit it with water just pure water, and it turns into, it looks like a watercolor. How cool is this? I want to show you some of the techniques that we're going to be doing. So, then it dries and it's permanent. I love these things. Over here, this is that BFK gray paper. BFK is a printmaking paper, but I wanted to show you that it also holds water, even though it's primarily known as a printmaking paper, BFK Reeves. Okay, beautiful to draw on. And I also throw some watercolor on top of it. So this is the drawing we did. Remember the dark to light, that was the demo, right? And then we hit it with just a little bit of water or watered down acrylic. It works perfect and stays flat. I wanted to show you, some people say, well, what are you gonna do with all these drawings? Well, sometimes when we draw on a canvas, I can seal it. This is a quick little drawing. These are those floater frames. I love floater frames, very contemporary. Doesn't draw a lot of attention to itself, and it says, I'm pretty hip. So this is what they use now in the museums. Color, we're gonna be doing color tomorrow too. So these are the acrylic canvases. There I go. And look, they're the Cheap Joe panels. They don't have to be canvas. I love these Cheap Joe canvases. They're wooden panels rather. They take a beating. So this is a quick sketch. This woman had a beautiful yellow scarf on, and so it was hanging in my studio, so you see other paintings around. So this is just light drawing, light sketching. I thought I'd give you a sneak preview of what we're gonna be doing tomorrow in class. They're gonna be so surprised. I can't wait to see you on the next BobBlast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this with your friends. Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and we're going to the Bahamas this February. I cannot wait to go there with you. Can you imagine doing a workshop, painting by the beach, by the poolside for 5 days of painting? I cannot wait, because it's most relaxed. I call it a paintcation. Can you imagine painting every day? But there's the bar, there's the beach, we're right there, we're relaxed, and we're creating wonderful paintings in this incredible Bahama aromas, the florals, and the wonderful aromas of the food cooking, and the ocean right there, fresh air, and perfect time of the year to get away, right? And to have a great time. It's my favorite place. I call it a paintcation. What a great name for it, a paintcation. And we're going to be painting loose abstracts. Wow! So I'll see you there, and I cannot wait to paint in the Bahamas with you.